For more than a century, Citizen has created watches for all citizens all around the world. The ECO-DRIVE system will certainly help the brand rocket into the next century. Never having to replace a battery for a quartz movement and having the reliability of any light source, no matter where you are on the planet, that's incredible. I'm talking about the Citizen Sport Chronograph, the AT2460. Let's take a look. It's an unboxing. I saved you time. I took it out of the box. We're looking at the Citizen AT2460, a sport chronograph with all kinds of class. Everybody knows the name. Powered by any light source, the ECO-DRIVE system has arrived and it's not going anywhere. This watch is for anyone, even if your favorite color is green. What are we waiting for? Let's get those white gloves on and get a bird's eye view. We have a green dial sport chronograph with stainless steel case and bracelet design. We're looking at a 42.5 millimeter case design with grooved bezel. As you can see, the finishes on that bezel. Now it doesn't move, it's non-directional. We have a 6.5 millimeter nice grooved push-pull crown, and she's groovy. We're looking at a 22 millimeter lug width and overall 49 millimeter lug to lug, 11.6 millimeter thickness. 100 meters of water resistance, and out of the box, 133 gram weight. Full polished and brushed stainless steel design. She is flashy. With stainless steel start and stop pusher as well as reset pusher at the 4 o'clock position. It is a screw down case back. Have you liked and subscribed? You better get on it. And offers easy functionality with regards to the chronograph. Start, stop, reset, back to 12. Now let's take a look at the rock star of this watch, and that's got to be that green dial. It's just stunning, and I know there's lots going on, but it offers some great functionality. We have that green inner dial with the tachometer on the outer chapter ring of the dial. We have Citizen signed at and applied at the 12 o'clock position with ECO-DRIVE at the 8. We have white numerals with lume and steel hands with lume as well, and a red-tipped large seconds hand for the chronograph. At the 2, we have the 24-hour monitoring time subdial. At the 6, we have the small seconds hand. And at the 10, we have the 60-minute chronograph timer. And we have a date complication, black on white with no cyclops at the 4 o'clock position.
Now, as you see, I plugged in the car. Perfect time to talk about the power for the Citizen AT2460. Now, we're looking at the caliber H500. A common movement for this particular series and variation for our chronographs from Citizen. Reliability is key, I'm telling you. That ability to go without replacing a battery, wow. Movement technology continuously and sustainably eliminating the need to replace batteries. What? We're improving the planet. That's right, we're improving the planet. I hope you didn't buy stocks and watch batteries.
Now, as far as wearability goes, the Citizen AT2460 is a reasonable weight, not over the top heavy. And of course, once she's sized down to your wrist, it's going to be even lighter. I'm just at 7 1/4, just under 7 1/4 inch wrists, and I can only imagine how many links are going to be taken out of this. But this stainless steel polish and brush design offers strength and durability, and with great finishes. We have a push button, deployant style, signed clasp, with room for adjustment. 22.
Thanks for tuning in, gang. I'm TheCovertCrow. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, because you don't want to miss the next video. And you know what I always say. I'm not even going to say it. You can follow me on Instagram. It's right there. It's been a pleasure. Everyone be well, be safe. Guess what? You're going to see me on the next one. Yeah, I'm out.